Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 simple ways to style your coffee table for fall. This is the coffee table in my home office. I'll have this table linked below. It is a gorgeous table from West Elm. I love that it has an open base since this is a smaller room. And that way it keeps this space feeling very open and not crowded with furniture. Now all of these decor styles are going to be very neutral, and I'm starting off with one of my favorite neutral coffee table books. This is Architectural Digest, A Century of Style. I really like to layer coffee table books on coffee tables, but especially a coffee table like this, where it's just a flat surface without a lot of dimension or texture. A book really adds to that. So the first look is going to be all about pumpkins, and we're starting off with this glass pumpkin from Target, one of my favorite fall Target finds for only $25, and then this flameless candle from Amazon. These candles come in a set. I'm also using another candle from that same set for the other glass pumpkin from Target. Because these are bulkier pieces, having them on different levels like this adds a lot of dimension. And we're adding one last pumpkin to this setup, which is this ceramic pumpkin from Target. These come in a ton of different colors. I love the all neutral pumpkin look. I feel like it really complements the brass table, but just on its own, I feel like this is a little bit flat, a lot of bulky objects, so I wanted to add some more texture and layers in different shapes with these candlesticks. So these candlesticks are an Amazon find. They come in the pack of 2. And then we have my favorite flameless real wax candles. I get so much use out of these this fall especially, and throughout the holiday season I'm going to style them in so many different ways. I can't recommend them enough. I love adding faux candles to my coffee tables since I don't have to think about whether or not I blew out my candles before I leave the home, but it still adds that ambiance and makes it feel really cozy. And this is the completed first look. Definitely very decorative. It takes up a lot of space, so this is a better look if you don't use your coffee table too much for day-to-day and just have it for more decorative purposes. But if you do get a lot of function out of your coffee table, this second look would be perfect. This is actually how I normally keep this coffee table styled. I just have this black vase from Target, and then some dried fall florals. These are all from Michael's, just a few different bouquets layered together. When you're doing a more simple style, I like to have a lot of different colors and textures so it still makes a statement even though it's just one piece. So this is definitely a very simple look, but you can get very creative with your vase fillers and switch it out for each season. And then finally, the last look is basically a combination of the first 2 looks. We're going to start off with some coffee table books. Then we're moving into probably my favorite Target find from this year, which is this textured vase. It's affordable but looks super high-end. I love the shape of this vase. It's super unique too. And I'm also adding in some faux eucalyptus stems that are available this fall from Crate & Barrel. This white pumpkin is my favorite pumpkin I've purchased this year. It's from Home Goods, but I've also seen some very similar ones at Pottery Barn and other retailers that I'll link below as well. And then these matte black candlesticks are from Target. And then I'm also adding back the Amazon flameless candles. These are perfect when you're decorating with some tall greenery or any kind of faux stems, since obviously if they were real candles they would be a little bit of a fire hazard. So layering them together makes it like no fuss and really easy and practical for day to day. Then I am also adding a real candle. This smaller candle is a Target find from last fall, but they have very similar ones this year as well. And then this is the completed look. This is definitely my favorite way to style my coffee table for fall. I love all of the different layers and textures. So definitely let me know which of the 3 coffee table styles is your favorite? Do you like a lot of decor on your coffee tables, or is that not practical for everyday use? I like a little bit of both, so definitely let me know your favorite below, and all of the items that I mentioned today will be listed in my description box. And that's going to be everything for today's video. If you liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.